knees directly underneath your hips. Stretch your spine one way and stretch your tummy muscles the other. Pushing forward and tucking under. I love that move. I love that warmth. Mobility in your spine, articulation through your spine. So hold neutral, pull your tummy in and look over your right shoulder at your right bum cheek and feel the stretch. Center and do that over the other shoulder. Center. One more each side. Good. And now take a seat with your feet forward and your hands underneath your knees. Find your elbows and stretch your spine, using your hands to encourage that stretch. Then take the hands behind you and lift your chest. Open through the front of your shoulders. So do that as many times as you feel comfortable until you've released the tension in your back, release the tension in your shoulders. That's good. And then pick up your band and place the band over your feet. Your thumbs on top and your fingers underneath, and tuck your tailbone under and let yourself pull on the band. And the band goes underneath your knees or beside your knees or below your knees, that's the best words. Look down at your tummy, C-shape the spine, tighten your tummy, engage the pelvic floor, and then let the band help you up. Breathe out and give me that breath in and feel your spine. Start the journey again. Tighten your tummy, roll back, pause at the bottom, breathe in, look at your tummy, and then bend your elbows. Inhale, climb up onto your sit bones and keep going. Rolling back, look down at your tummy. Inhale, bend the elbows. Inhale at the top. Fantastic. 2 more of those. Good. So this is your level 1. Make sure that this all feels comfortable, accessible. And then roll your shoulders at the top, maybe shake your hands out. I'm going to go to the edge of my band. Bend your knees, thumbs up, and bring your thumb towards your shoulder. And then the other side. So your elbows glue into your waist as your thumb comes up to your shoulder. So you want to keep the elbows tucked in. Push your chest forward, tighten your tummy, and just get used to this bicep exercise. And then open your arms out to the side, palms down. Pull the band further out and bring your chest onto your thighs. Oh, feel the shoulders climb up. Full height, single bicep curls, thumb to shoulder, or doubles, both thumbs to shoulders, keeping those elbows tucked into your waist. Good. Keeping your body upright and still. Then open your arms, take them as far out as you can, bring your chest to your thigh. Can you feel the back muscles working? Climb up. 2 more like that. 5 double bicep curls, however many singles you can. Breathe out, elbows into waist. Good. When you've done your 5, open your arms, tip yourself forward, look down and pull the band out as far as you can. 1 more like this, elbows in. 5 bicep curls. Can you feel the comfort of your elbows tucked into your waist? Thumbs to shoulders. breathe out. When you've completed your 5, open the arms, bring your chest to your thigh, arms go wide. Next level. So I'm going to add in abdominal work. I'm going to roll back, tighten my tummy, and bring my thumbs towards my shoulders, keeping my upper body still. So that means I'm recruiting my abdominals, my back muscles are working, my biceps are working. Now bring yourself up, big breath in, bring your chest down onto your thighs and take the arms wide. Different muscle group here, upper back, climb up. So 4 more of those. Roll back, elbows tuck in, bicep curls, singles or doubles, thumbs lead the way, elbows stay still. Good, breathe. And then help yourself up with the band. Take the arms as wide as you can, chest to thighs, and feel the upper back muscles. And climb up. Keep going. Using your breath, tightening your tummy, being aware of your tummy muscles. As much as you're aware as your bicep muscles, your front of arms. 5 of those. Help yourself up, breathe in. Exhale, take the arms out and feel your upper back. So we'll just do 2 more of those and then I promise you will lie down. Okay, does that feel easier? Bicep curls, 5. Breathe out, bicep curls, 4. 3, 2, 1. Use the band to pull yourself up, breathe in. Use the band to strengthen your upper back, breathe out. So give me 1 more of those, bicep curls, 5. So this is when the work starts to pay off. This is when the muscles change shape. That last one is where it all happens. Climb up, take the arms out, chest to thighs. Good. Now push your legs away, straighten them. Shake out your hands and climb down your band, drawing your tummy towards your thighs and keeping your chest lifted so that you've got that lovely stretch, calves, thighs, lower back. Open the band, put the right ankle on the left and climb down your legs. Good. Same thing. Push your tummy forward and your chest lifts, shoulders drop, and then you'll get the lower back stretch as well. Good. Try that on the other side. Left ankle over right. Walk down your band, lift your chest, and hold that stretch. Keep both feet in your band, bend your knees, roll down. So if you've got a towel, have it ready at the top of your mat. Roll down onto your back, you might want some water. And keep the band on your feet. Bring your knees into your chest and push your legs up to the sky. Knees to chest, legs to sky. Knees to chest, breathe out, legs to sky. It's as simple as that. And the exercise starts off with a thigh strengthener, a quad strengthener. There's a little bit of abdominal work because you are tightening your deep abdominal and stopping your back from lifting. Goes without saying, it's a Pilates session. Now, make the thighs work harder by pulling the band and drawing your elbows onto the floor. Elbows touch the floor. Okay, so now you've got more resistance driving through your legs. Good. Keep the elbows firmly fixed on the floor as you push your legs up. Okay, all about the quads. Strong abdominals, pull your tummy in. And level 3 is when we start to activate the abdominals well. So, I haven't done level 2 yet. Drop the legs. Take the legs a little lower, and you'll notice you have to pull your tummy in a little bit more. So now it's a deep abdominal exercise. Push the legs away and stop the back from lifting. Keep the back in neutral. Level 3. Elbows on the floor. Push up onto your elbows and extend your legs. So your elbows are behind you. Release the band. Rest your head, knees to chest. Push yourself up onto your elbows. Lower the legs. Feel the tummy work. Release and relax. Breathe in. Push away. Breathe out. Use your elbows to support you. Inhale and relax. Perfect. Level 3. Push your elbows back. Release your elbows and rest. 5 more of those. Push up. Pause for a moment. Lower. Recover. Breathe in. Push up. Hold for a moment. Lower. Recover. Breathe in. So it has the yin and the yang. It has the power and it has the comfortable release. Find your power. With your power comes your breath out, and with your release comes your breath in. I'm going to make it a little more interesting. Level 4, elbows behind, and I'm going to circle my legs 2 or 3 times round one way, and 2 or 3 times round the other. So you'll feel that the legs work the tummy. They're a lever for the tummy muscles. Lower yourself back down onto the floor. Take a moment, breathe in, and with your next breath out, either pause, pressing up on your elbows, or add the extra dimension of the circle. Round one way and round the other. Keep your chest lifted and then let go. Breathe in, 3 more, your level. Lift and pause. Lift and circle. Circle one way. Circle the other. Good. Then take your time to rest down on the floor. Breathe in and exhale. Circle. So breathing naturally. Round the other way. Good. Resting on the floor, knees into chest, big breath in. And one last time, your level. Push the legs away, breathe out. Both directions if you're circling. And then slowly lower yourself back down. Put the band now between your knees. Release your hands, they've worked hard, and rotate. Rotate one way, rotate the other. Press your palm to the ceiling and pull down on your fingers. Release your wrists, your forearms. Find that recovery. And then let's pay attention to the legs. So open the band, take one foot out of the band and draw the banded leg towards you. If you feel comfortable, slide your supporting leg away. Maybe you'd like to climb the band, holding the band and holding your calf or the back of your thigh, hamstring stretch. And then I'm going to rest my head and point and flex my foot. So you're healing the back of your calf, the back of your ankle, your Achilles, mobilizing the foot and using the band as a resistance. Keep the foot flexed and then turn right to left. Tricky move. Your muscle memory is not used to it. Right and left. Good. Pause. Hold the band in the opposite hand and work into the sciatic nerve. So, bum on the floor, take the leg across and keep your bottom on the floor. How does that feel? Bit scary? Bit tingly? Stretching that nerve? If it's okay, lift the bum and start to take the leg lower across your body. Keep going until you find the point of discomfort and stay there and breathe there. Keep that stretch alive. Good. And then we'll start that process on the other side. Lift the band, lift the leg, open the band, slide the supporting leg across the floor, point and flex the foot, and turn the foot right, left, left. Bring your head up and find the stretch, maybe bringing your hand to your calf, even your toes. And then taking your opposite hand on the end of the band, bringing the leg across your body, keeping your bottom on the floor. And when you're ready, lifting the bum and taking the leg even further across. You're looking, strangely, for the discomfort. You're looking to release the discomfort. So when you find that level, I want you to stay there and breathe. Well done. So bringing both feet into the band, bring your heels to your bum and simply rock, which is an active stretch for your back. So right up onto your shoulders, right down towards your bum. That little bit of pressure in your back helps to release tension. Well, like this, knees to chest. Use your band for support. And when you're ready, come up and take a seat. Leave your band. Hopefully it should spring open for next time. Fold it up and come to take a comfortable seat. Sitting cross-legged, sitting with your feet out in front. Breathe in and a slow breath out. Let go. And repeat. Breathe in.